I'm Eli Whitney, and I'm an inventor. In 1798, I gained a contract for a musket factory, which helped popularize interchangeable parts. And in 1818, I was credited with creating the first milling machine, though I did work on it with other people. And today, I'm here to present to you the cotton gin. On March 14th, 1794, I received the patent for said cotton gin. What does the cotton gin do? Well, you take your cotton, and usually you would have to pick out and meticulously remove all that icky, sticky, icky gunk, right? Like the seeds and the plant product. But with the new revolutionary cotton gin, you take your cotton, you put it in this engine, and you turn it, and boom, separate it. Seeds and plant product, and your precious cotton. In Europe, this will revolutionize the textile industry, making it a booming, prosperous, godlike business. And in America, it will absolutely abolish slavery. Right, guys?
That is not what happens.
So will you answer a few questions for me?
Okay.
I'd first like to ask you, what gave you the idea to make this amazing creation?
Well, you see, harvesting cotton by hand is a very long and meticulous process. So I wanted to make it not long.
Another question I'd like to ask is, how long did it take you to create this?
It took me many, many months. 10 years, in fact.
That's a lot of months! My third question is, how much cotton does a cotton gin produce in a day compared to your average worker?
Let's take the worker, for example. An average worker will produce 1 pound of cotton per day, right?
Wow.
But a cotton gin, that will produce 50 pounds of cotton per day. Imagine the amount of shirts.
Oh my god, that's so many shirts! Whitney, you did say that this would help abolish slavery in Europe and America. How would that be?
Well, you see, with the new cotton gin, there's no need for slaves to pick out the cotton and remove the seeds meticulously by hand. So you will not need all these unnecessary slaves because you have this gin. All you need is like a couple workers just cranking at the gin.
While this worked in Europe, it did not help in the US.
Wow, they made cotton so much easier.
Ever since I got that cotton gin, my life has been so much easier. I don't have to spend hours slaving away, picking out seeds and grass for my cotton.
We love the cotton gin.
The cotton gin make my beautiful clothes.